Hey, my name is Sam, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum values in Excel based on multiple conditions using the SUMIFS function. Adding this to your workflow lets you filter and total your data in one clean step, no extra formulas or sorting needed. Let's begin with a basic workbook. We've got a list of sales data across different regions and products. The columns are date, region, product, and sales amount. Say you want to know the total sales for East region and for the product laptop. You don't need to filter the table or do it manually. Just use SUMIFS to target exactly what you want. Click on an empty cell where you want the total to appear, then type the following function. That formula is telling Excel to look in the sales column, but only sum values where the region is East and the product is laptop. You can change the region or product directly in the formula, or if you want to make it dynamic, reference them from separate cells. This makes it easy to adjust your summary without editing the formula each time. Here's a tip. Make sure your ranges are all the same size. Otherwise, Excel will return an error. So if your sales range is A2 to A20, then your criteria ranges must also end at row 20. You can also pair this with conditional formatting or charts to build dynamic dashboards. SUMIFS is the backbone of so many report templates. And that's everything on how to use SUMIFS to total values using multiple conditions in Excel. If you found this video helpful, you'll definitely enjoy the one on screen now. Don't forget to subscribe for more web tips.